Hello everyone, today's video is going to be very important for you. No matter who you are and what career you are into, PDF files are something you all have to deal with regularly. But most PDF software like Adobe and Foxit provide only limited features for free. To use their premium features, you need to pay them money. But do not worry, today you will get an alternative solution to this. In this video, I will share with you a very powerful, feature-packed and yet completely free tool, PDFgear, using which you would be able to do anything and everything you need to do with PDFs with no annoying ads, no watermarks and no sign up needed. Just to inform, this is not a sponsored video and due to these advantages, I stopped using Adobe and Foxit for reading and editing my PDFs. So without any further delay, let's begin the video. This is the official website of PDFgear. It is supported by all the major platforms like Windows, Mac, and even Android and iOS. You can download the software to use it locally on your computer or mobile, or you can also use the online version. In the first part of the video, I will share the key features of the tool. And next, I will give you the demo so that you can learn how to use this tool easily. Talking about the features of PDFgear, you can edit the PDF just like you are editing a Word document. Compress the PDF or reduce the size of the PDF file. Merge multiple PDFs to a single file. Crop a portion of PDF, highlight the text, annotate it, add comments, unlock password protected PDFs, split PDFs to separate files, and also chat with PDF using its AI copilot to get summaries and answers. You can also convert PDF to Word, Excel, PPT, image or other file formats and similarly convert files from different formats to PDFs. You can add, remove or rearrange pages in the PDF document, add your signature and create fillable PDFs or forms. Now let's see the demo of some of its key features. Here I will be demonstrating these features using the downloaded version of PDFgear, but you can also do it using the online version. This is a sample PDF document that I will be using for demonstration, but it can be a report, thesis, agreements, assignments, invoices, quotations, applications and letters, business proposals, or any other. I will try to keep the video short, but if you still wish to avoid some section, you can directly jump to the desired feature demos based on the timestamps provided in the description. You can also check out the user guide to learn how to use individual features. First, we will see the PDF editing features. Sometimes you may wish to make corrections in the PDF file. Using the edit text feature, you can make corrections in the text. At the end, always save the document. Using delete object option, you can delete a specific portion from the PDF file and can also edit the text within it. If you want to insert some text in the document, use Add Text option. It is just like a typewriter. You can drag and move the text box to the location you desire. You can select the font color and size as per your need. You can add images to the PDF, resize it and drag it to a specific location. This is especially useful to add logos in your invoices or headshots in your CV. If you want to know how to generate professional headshots using AI, this video can be of great help. You can add link to the PDF to navigate to a specific page, local file, or a particular website. Here, I am adding a link to my YouTube channel. Once the link is added and saved, whenever anyone clicks the link, he will be redirected to that page, file, or website depending upon what he has chosen. Some documents have watermarks which obstructs reading. You can delete the watermarks. Also, you can add your own watermark to the PDFs, customize its color, size, and opacity to avoid being copied. If your document lacks page number, you can add and format the page number to the header or footer of the document. Sometimes you may need to add your name, email address, website name, or contact details to the header or the footer of the document. You can do that too using PDFgear. If you want to add stamp or seal to the PDF, you can choose from existing preset or use custom text or upload an image as per your requirement. Signature is important for certain type of documents like invoices or reports that you wish to send over the internet. Using PDFgear, you can add your signature by uploading it as scanned image or by typing or writing. The signature is saved so that next time you can use the same signature instantly in different documents. Under the comment section, you will find basic options needed while reading. You can highlight the text, change the highlight color, underline the text, strike out the text, highlight a specific section of the PDF, add the text box, and write comments in the PDF file. You can take the screenshot of a specific portion of the PDF, copy it to the documents like PowerPoint, or save it as an image. Use Find option to look for a specific text. This is helpful to directly navigate through a particular section without reading the entire document. As you hover the cursor over the individual options, you will get to know about the shortcut keys you can use on your keyboard. Under Tools, you will find options to convert the PDF to various formats like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and others. If you wish to reduce the size of PDF file, you can use Compress option and choose from 3 levels of compression. Compression is useful when you are sharing it online or filling online forms. In this example, the file size is reduced from 412 KB to just 28 KB without much loss of quality. Another very useful feature PDFgear offers is merging the PDFs. Using this, you can combine multiple PDF files, arrange them in order to a single PDF document, which makes it convenient to read, organize, and share the file with others. You can also split large PDF file to extract specific pages as separate PDF files, or split one PDF to a multi-page PDF providing custom range of pages that has to be included. Using Reader option, you can listen to your PDFs while you are on the go. You can set password to your PDF file to avoid unwanted access. The password protected file can only be read once right password is entered. In the same way, you can remove the password protection from the PDF file once the file is opened using correct password. Under Page option, you can rotate the page to change its orientation, crop the page, or delete a specific page from the whole PDF file and save it. To make the reading and editing experience more comfortable, you can choose from various light and dark themes. At the main page also, you will find shortcut to convert PDF to various other formats. PDFgear also provides a chat with PDF feature using which you can ask various questions, get summaries, and other such tasks done easily. But for this, you must have internet access. Similarly, you can perform all these tasks with the PDFs using the web version of the PDFgear. So that's all for the today's video. If you find the tool helpful, do share it with others. Comment below which feature you find most useful. If you have any queries or requests, do mention it in the comment. I usually respond to them. Further, to enjoy additional perks and privileges, you can join the Explore Bio community. Thanks, and I will see you in my next video.